Hello, what's up guys? Today we are at Rumtek, Sajung, East Sikkim, Rumtek Senior Secondary School, and I'm gonna walk you through this area, and it's damn cold. Look at the height of this bamboo. It's very tall. There's a phrase in Nepali saying tall as a bamboo, you know. Government Senior Secondary School, Rumtek, established in 1948. Wow. So this school is old as fuck, yeah, but still standing. Sponsored by Sri Topge Bhatia in September 2021. Maybe this gate is sponsored by, or the whole school. Not the whole school, because the whole school was established in 1948. Only this gate was, constructed in 2021 by Sri Topge Bhatia in September 2021. So here we go. There is a small and lean road, shallow road, very narrow road. Sponsored by Sri Topge Bhatia 2021. And here we have some plants hung around for decorations. And I like this type of roads. I don't like the huge roads, but thin roads, small roads leading directly to our school. Let's go through this stairs. I love stairs. I love walking. So what have we here? It's a bamboo leaf. School in the middle of the forest, where students cannot be disturbed by the hustle and bustle of the cities or the traffic. They will get disturbed only if nature wants them disturbed. Wow, just look at the color of this school. It's so damn beautiful. I wish I studied here, but I didn't. It's in the middle of the jungle. It's so peaceful, it's so quiet, a place perfect for students, a place perfect for studies. It's like a library in the middle of the jungle. And here we have a small bridge. I love bridges, Here we have a small bridge. Let's go inside, guys. First, let's go here. Hello. हजुर ला देखिन त यहाँ हेरेको नि स्कुल आज कहाँ लाग्छ अन्त विन्टर छुट्टी हो को नि हौ याद भएन मलाई There's the old abandoned house. Here's a greenhouse. Let's take a peek inside, but it's closed, so here we go. I'm taking risks for all my viewers, because if I get caught doing this during the holidays, the school in charge or the security will take some actions against me, maybe or not, because this is government property. So am I. I'm also a government, citizen. That's why it's beautiful inside. It is so damn beautiful inside. Here we have some classroom, class 9A. What have we here? Let's check it out. Prohibiting production, stocking, distribution, sale, and use of single-use plastic. Okay, plastic banned. UNB, UNB. This guy used to, study in Jawaharlal Nehru Vidyalaya, situated in Pakyong. He was a class junior than me. So I knew him very well. As a kid, he used to rap. As a kid, also he used to rap. He was a very good guy. You know, he earned his name very well. Good for him. Happy for him. Uh, mm, so here's the main gate of this school. Here's the main gate of the school, and inaugurated by Sri Menlam Lepcha, Honorable Area MLA Martam Rumtek. Okay. So let's take a run. Look, here's some painting by a little kid, I guess, which depicts industrialization, industries, polluting the environment, industrialization. I guess that's what they say. So here we are at the back of the school building. Here's a desk. Here's a shelf for books and pens to be kept. And here we have stairs to go up this building. I don't know what's inside it, but maybe it's meant for the school staffs or maybe senior students, Here we have toilets, washrooms, and lots of bamboos. Lots and lots of bamboos. Some plants. And CWSN toilet. I don't know what that means. I don't know what the full form of CWSN means, but toilet. I know what toilet is. Here's some garbages. Please comment below in the comment section what does CWSN stands for. Let's go check it out. Some more of the school area. Here we have a volleyball court, a badminton court. I don't know what else they play here, but it's quite nice and quite huge to play around. This is enough for kids to, play and stretch their legs and limbs, growing limbs. Government Senior Secondary School Rumtek RMSA 2012. Hall of Fame. Oh, what is that? Hall of Fame SS toppers. Name, year. Wow, they got a reward also for toppers, That's a good incentive. And there we have some pigeons staring right at me. They are thinking, I don't know what this guy is doing. What the fuck are you doing? They are trying to say, get the fuck out of my area, I think. Hall of Fame, AISSC topper, still name, year, reward. Pema Lamu Bhatia, 81% is 2018, 15,000. Divya Sharma, 81.02% is 2019, 15,000. Aishwarya Nepal, 91% is 2022, 15,000. Ripandi Lepcha, maybe, I don't know what. That's not supposed to be 7%, but I guess it's 87 or 97%, 2023, 15,000 as a reward. They got some amount. And here we also have the names of the students who were rewarded because they did well very good in their exams. Congratulations to them. Congratulations to them. And here we have, I think this is a kitchen where they prepare meals for, meals for children. And here we have a pole for flag, you know. This is right where they put on the pole and flags.
All India Secondary School Examination Board AIC topper.
Oh my god. And here we have something written over here. I guess the viewers can read them by themselves. Ah, look at those pigeons. 3 pigeons. So this right here is an old building established in 1949. I guess it's for primary section, or maybe it is kitchen. Oh, this school is huge. The compound of the school is very large, guys. So bear with me. Watch till the end. This is some. What this is? Classroom. No, I guess this is staff room where they have all the meetings. Here we have some. No running water, but that's okay because the school is closed right now. They're having a winter vacation for at least about a month. This old building is used for. What is this used for? It's a classroom for children. Let me show you again. What happens if I drop my phone in here? Nothing. I mean, I'm gonna be in great loss if I have dropped my phone in there. So, construction of 3-room laboratory at Rumtek. I guess this is class 9C, commerce. Students of commerce, they study over here, and we have some stairs leading up. I don't know what is up there, but I'm gonna check it out someday. Not today. Today it's locked. So let's go. Let's walk fast. Here we have. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this building is used for, but I think it's old building, abandoned one. Used for nothing. There's a little bridge. Bridges all over the school. Just love it. Yeah. Just love it. It's not Hogwarts, but it still is very beautiful. It's not Hogwarts, but still it's very damn beautiful. Everything here is beautiful. Everything in Sikkim is beautiful. People, even the people, even the old buildings, construction, buildings are beautiful. It's quite dark here. I was right. This one here is primary. This building is for primary section, class 1. We have someone over there. I guess they are sweeping. Class 4, class 5, class 6. I don't want to go there because I'm kind of a shy guy. I don't want to, meet new people. I'm an introvert. So let's go down the stairs. Let's go here first. Let's see what these areas have to show us. See, I told you there were people over here, so I'm gonna back off and mind my own business. I'm gonna let them do this. Oh, they let me do mine. So this building is used for I don't know what, but still is standing and usable. Before I told you that was the kitchen, but I was wrong. This is the kitchen right here, where they prepare, delicious, tasty meals for kids all around the India. Midday meal scheme, Madhyahan Bhojan Yojana, midday meal. Because in some parts of India, kids, people, even kids, people, even grown-ups, they don't have food to eat. Hunger is the enemy of our nation. So our government made this scheme where they feed the children, Monday, every day, midday meals, lunchtime. They feed the children very well, and that's the scheme. I've heard in some parts of our country in India, in some states, kids come to school just for meal, just to have some meal, midday meals. That's what I heard, and that is very true. I guess it's true. I know, no, I don't guess. I know it's true because in some states the government is very, very un, you know, unreliable. The government doesn't, look after their people too good. So people gotta, fend for themselves. So in some parts of India, so here we have fans of Metallica, Cannibal Corpse, AC/DC, Slipknot, Seven Rope, I don't know what they forgot, but Class 7B. So as I was saying, in some parts of our country, in India, in some parts of our country, kids come to school only for meal, only to fill their stomachs with something, because they don't get much to eat. And that right there is called iskus. It's very delicious. If you haven't tasted this one, come to Sikkim and taste this particular iskus sabji. Midday meal scheme. Wow, that's beautiful. Hogwarts of Sikkim. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my video here. I love you all. Please do watch all the video all till the end, and do like and subscribe. Okay guys, bye.